The way many Jamaicans eat today is contributing to serious health problems, including high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease. 85% of all deaths in Jamaica are due to these health-related issues. And the most alarming part is that they are rising, especially among younger individuals. A common Jamaican dinner often includes a generous amount of rice and peas, accompanied by some stewed chicken and maybe some vegetables. Now, one thing we can't argue, the food is delicious. However, this combination right here has the same amount of calories like a Big Mac with large fries and soda. The biggest issue here isn't even the chicken, it's the rice. Rice and peas is a fundamental part of Jamaican cuisine, but the portion size is too much. A healthy portion of rice is generally about half a cup. However, Jamaicans are on a regular basis eating 3 to 4 cups per serving. That alone is 600 to 800 calories. The daily recommended calorie intake is 2,000 to 2,400. High blood pressure and diabetes are big health problems in Jamaica today, and many people have them. By 2012, more than 6 out of 10 older Jamaicans had high blood pressure, and by 2016, about 3 out of 10 Jamaicans aged 15 and older had high blood pressure. This means that every 1 out of 3 Jamaicans in the country has high blood pressure, most of which are women. Diabetes is also a growing problem. In 2012, about 1 out of 4 older Jamaicans had diabetes, and by 2024, about 12.5 out of 100 adults, or about 235,600 people, have diabetes in the country. Again, most of which are women. Diabetes was the #1 cause of death in Jamaica in 2022 and 2023. About 80 deaths for every 100,000 people were diabetes-related deaths. It has been one of the top 2 causes of death within the last decade. And it's not slowing down or getting any better. There are a lot more popular foods in society that at first glance we don't really think are unhealthy, some of which are beef patties and corned beef. These foods are very high in sodium, which is what usually leads to high blood pressure. Then we have the famous cornmeal porridge that everyone loves. Now, cornmeal by itself is very healthy. It's rich in protein and carbohydrates. However, the issue is when making a porridge, it seems like people want to put 10 pounds of condensed milk inside. And I don't think I need to explain why a lot of condensed milk is not good for you. But here's a truth we all have to face. It costs a lot to eat healthy in Jamaica, and the link between not having enough money and getting sick is clear. We must act now to change these unhealthy eating habits. Children are getting used to bad diets from a young age. More than 1 out of 3 Jamaican children are at risk from food-related illnesses. The number of overweight teenagers have doubled over the last decade. This is partly because of the Americanization of many people's foods, where people are eating more sugar, more salt, and more processed foods.